Oh, man. This is amazing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Wow.
you should have seen it when we were
I love
open.
your bar stools. I think that Jason is so out of the box. You know, he's all tatted up and he's got this like little hat on and it's like a little bit sideways. But I can tell that he's a business guy. He's a really good entrepreneur. What's your capacity here?
So on this side, it's about 175 and about 250 on the other side. Through here, we have our venue, and this is where we do live music. And
oh, God, Jason.
Yeah. When we were open, we would have 4 or 5 shows a week.
Jason, this is amazing.
Like a small house of blues.
There's nothing small about this place. This is badass. You have a bar in here, too?
Mm-hmm.
If you're the entertainment source for down here, that's a really big deal.
Yeah, I've been promoting this club for 7 years. The reason I'm farming is because, you know, the businesses that I want to do I'm unable to do them right now.
This is going to reopen. It's going to reopen in some capacity. I don't know what that is yet, but
hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon.
How do you feel about me converting Shepherd's Inn into, because I guess I didn't ask you, maybe I should have asked you how you feel about that, because I know Russell is like, you know, having a difficult time partying with the bar. I mean,
sure.
It's an emotional thing.
Yeah, you put your heart and soul into these businesses, and sometimes it's hard to let go.
Russell's really having a hard time with me taking apart Shepherd's Inn, and the signs are a huge part of that. The fact that the walls are completely bare at Strummer's, it's probably not a big stretch to ask Jason to buy the signs. He said to me that he's okay with me selling off all the signs.
Like neon signs?
Yeah, you know, all those neon signs, and I could just feel him like, ah.
Well, let me know before you sell any.
Yeah?
You might want to buy some. Or...
It might be best if we sell them to a family or a friend. I think maybe that would make it easier for him.
For him to let them go?